dear students, good morning. In our previous class, do you all remember what can we learnt about? Yes, we all are learnt about water. So, I hope you all are understand and enjoy that lesson. Today, we are going to learn about your EVS new lesson, clothing. Okay, so today we will learn about lesson number 10, CLOTHING, clothing. So this is your EVS new lesson. So do you know about children why we need a clothes? Why we need a clothes? Yes, we need a clothes to cover and protect our whole body. So we wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold and rain. So every day we are also wear different kinds of clothes. So that clothes is help us to protect our whole body from the heat, cold and rain. So the clothes we wear differ according to the seasons. So when we wear the clothes, so that clothes is differ according to the seasons. So we should always wear a neat and clean clothes. Every day we should always wear a neat and clean clothes. So they keep us healthy and we look good. When we wear a neat and clean clothes, so they keep us healthy in our whole body and we are looking good for others. So we wear a different kind of clothes. So every day we are also different kind of clothes. So for a different kind of clothes for a different seasons. And kind of clothes depend on the weather. So every day we are also wear a different kind of clothes. So that different kind of clothes is depend on the weather also, weather or seasons. So where we get a clothes? Yes, we get a clothes from a plant and animals. And the clothes are made of different materials. So the different materials for a different seasons. We get a different materials for a different seasons. So in our country there are 3 main seasons. So how many seasons are there? Yes, there are 3 main seasons. Do you know about that seasons, dear children? Yes, they are summer, winter and a rainy season. So in our country is also 3 main seasons. So they are, one is summer season, second one is winter season and third one is rainy season. Can you think about children? Which seasons are you like this? Yes. So we have to discuss it in detail. Yes, first one is a summer season. Can you see this picture, dear children? Yes. See this. So the boy is walking on the ground in front of a sea. Okay. In the summer season, the days are hot and dry. We wear a cotton clothes to keep ourselves cool. So these clothes are made of cotton. So we get cotton from the cotton plant. So when the summer season is come to the days are very hot and dry. The weather is hot and dry. So on that days we are also wear a cotton clothes. So cotton clothes is help us to keep our body cool. So ourselves keep us to cool in our whole body. So it's a protect from a hot. So these clothes are made of cotton. So where we get a cotton? Yes. Do you know about children where we get a cotton? Yes, we get a cotton from the cotton plant. In the summer season is come to the days, that days we are also wear a cotton clothes. Okay, so cotton clothes is help us to keep our body cool. So can you see this picture, dear children? Yes, see here. So this is a cotton shirt and this is a cotton knicker. So this is a cotton shirt, this is a cotton knicker, and this is a cotton banyan, and this is a cotton cap. So these things are made up of cotton. So these things are made up of a cotton, and we get cotton from the cotton plant. In the summer season we can also use these clothes. Okay? Yes, can you think about, dear children, what do we use to keep our house cool in the summer days? Yes, we can use air cooler, fans and cold water. So use these things, keep our house cool in a summer season. Given a one classroom activity for your EVS book. So take and open your EVS book, page number 54. So see this. Draw any two things that you enjoy eating in a summer days. So which things you enjoy and eating in a summer days, dear children? Yes, somebody is eating a ice cream and somebody is eating a fruits and somebody is eating a pizza, burger, any food. Okay, which food or which things you eating and enjoying in a summer days? So that pictures you will draw this box. Okay, you will draw this two box. For example, ice cream and fruits. So you will draw anything like fruits, ice cream, pizza, burger, any food. Okay, draw this two box. Next, second one is winter season. So in the winter season the days and nights are cold. So we wear clothes made up of wool, as woolen cloths keep our body warm. So we get wool from sheep. So can you see this picture, dear children? Yes. See this. So when the winter season is come to the days, the days and nights are cold. So on that days weather is a cold. Okay. So on that days we are also wear a wool cloths. Okay. We are also wear a woolen cloths. It's made up of wool. Woolen cloths is made up of wool. Okay. So woolen cloths is help us to keep our body warm. In the summer season we are also wear a cotton dresses. So that cotton dresses is help us to keep our body cool. In the winter season we are also wear a woolen cloths. So that woolen cloths is help us to keep our body warm. And the woolen cloths is made up of wool. So where we get a wool from, dear children? Yes, we get a wool from sheep. Okay. Next. So can you see these pictures, dear children? Yes. First one is, what is this? Can you guess it? Yes. So this is a muffler. So when we use these things, dear children, in the winter season, we can also use a winter season. Next, gloves, hand gloves. Okay. So this is also used for a winter season. And last one is sweater. So we can also use these things for a winter season. Muffler, gloves, sweater. So these things are all made, these clothes are made up of woolen. So woolen is made up of wool. So we get wool from a sheep. So when the winter season is come, and that is we can also use these things. So these clothes is help us to keep our body warm. Okay. In the next class, we can learn the next. In the next class, we will learn about in the next part. Okay. Today we have to discuss about seasons. So there are three main seasons. So there are three main seasons in our country. So they are summer season, winter season and rainy seasons. So summer season we are also wear a cotton clothes, and cotton clothes is help us to keep our body cool, and the clothes are made up of cotton. Okay. So in the winter season we can also wear a woolen cloths, and woolen cloths is help us to keep our body warm. So we can also use in a summer days ACs, means air cooler, fans, cold water and also ice creams, fruits. In the winter season we can also use a hot things, means hot foods. We can also eat a hot foods. Okay. Yes. Thank you.